Hey friends, who's hungry? Are you still trying to figure out what to serve for Easter dinner? These 3 delicious side dishes are easily prepared, can be made ahead of time, and best of all, won't tie up the oven. First up is marinated asparagus. In a small mixing bowl, combine 2/3 cup of olive oil, 1/4 cup of white wine vinegar, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 2 packages of Italian dressing seasoning mixes, 2 teaspoons of minced garlic, 4 teaspoons of diced green onions, and 1 to 2 teaspoons of hot sauce. Whisk the ingredients together, then season with additional salt if needed and set aside. Rinse 2 bunches of fresh asparagus under cold water. Remove the tough ends from each stalk and trim any large scales from the stems if needed. Bring 2 inches of water and 2 teaspoons of salt to a boil in a skillet large enough to lay the asparagus flat. Carefully lay the asparagus spears in the boiling water. Let the water return to a boil, then simmer the asparagus over medium-low heat for 1 to 2 minutes. You want to simmer the asparagus until it's no longer raw but still has a bite to it. After cooking, immediately plunge the asparagus in a bowl of ice water to stop the cooking. Transfer the asparagus to a dish wide enough to lay the asparagus flat, or you could also use a gallon freezer bag. Pour the marinade over the top of the asparagus, then cover and refrigerate for a minimum of 3 hours. Allow the marinated asparagus to come to room temperature before serving. Second, we have broccoli salad with bacon and cranberries. In a large mixing bowl, add 6 cups of chopped broccoli florets, half a cup of dried cranberries, half a cup of shelled sunflower seeds, 1/4 cup of diced red onion, and half a cup of chopped cooked bacon. Stir everything together until the ingredients are evenly mixed and set aside. In a separate mixing bowl, add half a cup of mayonnaise, half a cup of sugar, half a cup of apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of ground black pepper. Whisk everything together until the dressing is smooth. Pour the dressing over the salad and give everything another good stir to coat the broccoli with the dressing. Cover the salad and refrigerate for 2 hours before serving. And last but not least, red hot cinnamon apples. Pour 3/4 cup of red hot candies in a medium stock pot. Add 2 cups of water and 1/3 cup of sugar. Bring the water to a boil over medium-high heat. Reduce the heat to medium-low and simmer until the candy has dissolved. Core and peel 6 medium tart apples and cut them into slices. Add the apples to the pot and bring to a simmer. Continue to cook the apples for about 5 to 10 minutes until the apple slices are tender. Remove the apples from the heat and allow them to cool slightly before serving. However, for a deeper red color, let the apples continue to soak in the syrup for several hours. Remove the apples with a slotted spoon into a serving dish. Drizzle any remaining syrup over the top. Looking for more recipes? Be sure to follow me.